In today's video, let me show you how to fix the Robinhood app not working. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now if you're having issues using the Robinhood application, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now the first thing that you need to do is check if the Robinhood's live server status is down or not. So for this, you can search for downdetector.com, search for Robinhood, and if you see any sort of spikes within the problems, this is likely causing this issue. So in this situation, you just need to wait out a couple of hours before the issue is automatically fixed. The other thing that you can also try out if this is not the case for you is you can try switching your network. So if you're currently using Wi-Fi, you can try switching to your cellular data and vice versa. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, the last thing that you can try out is try to uninstall the Robinhood application from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue will also be now fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.